Hello, this is Kevin Moore from U.S. Solar. I am reaching out because we were just finishing up an installation in your area and want to connect you with our specialist for a free energy analysis to help you save my electric bill. It will only take a moment. Now, you own your own home, correct? Okay, bear with me for a moment. I'll connect you with a specialist now. By the way, if you ever want to opt out, you can call us anytime at 888-206-6197. Just one moment, please.
You are the next caller in queue. To continue holding, press 5 now. Or to request a call from the next available agent, press 9 now. Estimated call time is less than 1 minute. To continue waiting, press 5.